Today we're going to discuss a thermostat replacement. When replacing a thermostat, it is important to always replace the gasket. Some gaskets are included in the thermostat, some are sold separately. It is also recommended during any coolant system repair, you replace the radiator cap. On some vehicles, with the location of the radiator being lower than the engine, it requires the use of a coolant expansion tank, which is also pressurized. You will always want to work on a cool engine and assure that the pressure is relieved off of the cooling system before removing the cap. Depending on your application, the location of the thermostat can vary. This one is located here at the end of the lower radiator hose. There are many locations for thermostats, and some vehicles can even include multiple thermostats. Refer to the service information for your vehicle for the specific information. On this application, the location of the thermostat is in the water outlet. There are several other maintenance items that should be inspected for a successful repair. You'll also want to check the radiator cap, belts, and hoses.